Well, good morning, Kevin.
Good morning.
What I'd like you to explain to our readers is who you are and what you do.
My name's Kevin Snell. I run a company called Fly iBot, which is an operation with remote pilot aircraft systems, or more commonly known as drones in the wider audience. And what we do is we have various sensors and cameras attached to those drones for various applications. And those applications could be from inspection and survey through to promotional videos, still images for real estate, and things like that.
And if you were to think about the top benefit this would give to the world even, because I love these things, I think they're magic, what would that be?
I think we're so used to having our feet firmly on the ground that we only ever look at things in a two-dimensional situation. And it's only when we get in an aircraft and we actually start looking down and we see, we see the world in a different perspective. And I think that's it really. I think with these machines, as soon as you put them up in the air 50 feet or 200 or 300 feet, everything looks completely different to what your perception was beforehand.
Yes. So how does that kind of benefit people, especially in business?
Well, there are a number of areas. So for real estate, you are seeing a property, for instance, in its surroundings, which you wouldn't normally see at ground level. They tend to be at the upper end of the sort of the scale in terms of value. But equally, if you're looking at inspections, then you can get a lot closer to the subject matter. So in an industrial refinery, for instance, you can get quite close with a zoom lens and you can carry out inspections which otherwise would have involved a lot of scaffolding, a lot of people on high ropes, and just generally very, very difficult to do a proper assessment.
That's brilliant. So for our readers, is there one top tip you have about going into business on your own? Starting a business?
Well, mine actually happened when my car engine blew up, and I had 4 hours waiting for the recovery vehicle, and this was the beginning of last year. But that gave me time to sort of ponder over things and get out of my existing sort of situation, and you come up with an idea and you have to run with that idea, and I think that's the key thing. You'll forever put obstacles in the way, but you have to keep knocking those obstacles down, and you have good days and bad days, and they tend to be a lot more accentuated than when you're employed, but you just got to keep fighting your way through, and
so perseverance is
number one.
okay. Yeah. Thank you very much, Kevin.
Thank you, pleasure.